Before testing, first use the load bar to push the die into the barrel. After the machine starts on, you will see an English interface. The interface first line is the temperature. It shows the character actual temperature. The second line is the timer. When the timing button is pressed, the countdown will start. The next is temperature set. It is used to set a desired temperature. The next is the time set. It shows in 20 or 10 seconds how long it will cut one. The cycle set. It means in the above seconds, 20 or 10 seconds, how many cycles it will cut. The next is the weight. It is used to enter the weight of the counterweight needed. The next is metage. It is used to input average of the weight of the small piece of the testing material after cutoff. When the time reaches the countdown time, please load the weights on. Then, please be patient and wait. You will see two lines on the piston rod. When this place reaches the first line, please start to operate.
等一下，拔罐。然后把它称了以后，然后除以这个数就好了。
Usually, you are getting 3 to 6 pieces of the material. Then choose some of the material to count. Here, I choose 4 pieces of the material. Put the material on the balance. To calculate its average value. After calculating, I get a result of 0.14. Input it, then you get a result. Press the Enter key. This is the result. After testing, please pull off the piston rod to clean it. It's too hot. Please wear your gloves. Then pull out this red ball to let the die out. This is the clean cloth. You use the clean cloth to clean the barrel. This is the clean rod. You usually need to fold the cloth one time. Then the machine is clean.